Okay, I am going to start regression analysis. So this is regression analysis. So here we have some set of independent variable which we call x and some set of dependent variable which we call y. So we have some values of x, say x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and some values of y, say y1, y2, y3 up to yn. Now what we want to do? We want to draw a straight line, say y equal to mx plus c, which best breed this data. So for that, what we have, when we replace these values by this straight line, then we must have yi equal to mxi plus c with some error term epsilon I. So our main objective to minimize this error. So for that, what we do? So first we derive the value of this epsilon I. This is epsilon I equal to yi minus mxi minus c. So in regression analysis, we want to minimize the sum of the square of the errors, which we call s. So s equal to summation epsilon I square, and this summation is done from I equal to 1 to n. Okay, so we have to minimize this term. So for minimum value, we must have del s del m equal to 0 and del s del c equal to 0. So from this we will find the value of m and c, which is unknown to us. So next what we will do? So s equal to summation I equal to 1 to n epsilon I square, and epsilon I is yi minus mxi minus c whole square. So this is the expression for s. So del s del m, this value is summation I equal to 1 to n. So it is 2 into yi minus mxi minus c, and this will be minus xi equal to 0. This one will give this thing. This implies that summation, we are not writing the limit I equal to 1 to n, so instead of this we are writing the summation. So this is yi minus yixi minus m into summation xi square minus c into summation xi equal to 0. So what we get? So this is, if we divide this by n, so we will get summation xi yi by n minus m into summation xi square by n minus c into summation xi by n. This one equal to 0. So we can simplify and write this one is the mean value of x into y. So xy, the mean value of this, minus m into summation xi square by n minus, this is mean value of x. This one equal to 0. This is the first relation. Now we will go for the second relation, which can be derived from del s del c equal to 0. Same condition can be derived from this condition, del s del c equal to 0. So this is the expression for s. So what we will get from del s del c? Del s del c, this one equal to, in a similar way, summation I equal to 1 to n. So 2 into I minus mxi minus c into minus 1, this one equal to 0. So this gives actually summation yi minus m into summation xi minus n into c, this one equal to 0. So ultimately what we get? So c is equal to summation yi by n minus m into summation xi by n. So ultimately we get c equal to mean value of y minus m into mean value of x. So this is the second condition for the value of m and c. So this is the first condition and this is the second condition. So from here we can express c in terms of m. So we replace this value of c in the equation 1. So we replace this value of c in the equation 1. So what we get? So this is x y bar minus m into summation xi square by n minus c is equal to now y bar minus mx bar into x bar. This one equal to 0. So from here we can get xy bar minus m into summation xi square by n minus this x bar into this x bar. So this x bar is square minus x bar y bar. This one equal to 0. This x bar and this y bar. This one equal to 0. So what is this? This is variance of x. So this is x y bar minus a into variance of x square, sequence square, which is called variance of x, minus x bar y bar. This one equal to 0. So we can write this one from here that this m equal to x y bar. So we are taking x y together and we are taking the mean value of this. So this is x y bar minus x bar y bar by sigma x square. So the value of m and c, how can we find? So m can be directly found by this and the value of c can be found by this one. So this is the value of m and c equal to y bar minus ax bar. So by this method we can find the regression line which has the minimum value of the summation of the square of the errors, and this is called the least square method, because in this method we minimize the square of the sum of the errors. So this is the one part of regression analysis where we approximate the given data with a straight line.